Hey everyone, so in today's video guys, I'm going to be sharing with you this amazing strategy. This is very amazing strategy. This is the new strategy. This strategy, I've been working on it for some weeks, but I just decided to release this strategy today. So if you've been waiting for the strategy, this is going to be for you. I will have charged you guys the money for this, but I'm going to share this strategy for free. So before I share the strategy, I'm going to show you first. I'm going to backtest the strategy for you to show you how much the strategy works. As you can see here, I took the account from $5 all the way to 83 US dollars, and then I took 83 US dollars all the way to 150 US dollars. You can see everything right here. It's amazing. So this strategy guys, it's really going to change your income in forex market. First of all, I'm going to backtest the strategy to show you how much you can trust this strategy. This strategy right here is based on 15-minute time frame. You use it on 15-minute time frame. Let me show you. Every single time the strategy reach level 80.13, you can see it's buying. Also, every single time the strategy reach at the level 89.39, it's selling. Let me show you more. 89.39, it's selling. You see, 89.39, it's selling. And then once the strategy reach level 8.13, it's buying. If you can see here, not all the moving averages will be able to reach at these levels, these two levels. Some they don't reach at these levels. That means you need to focus on only these ones which they was able to reach this point. Don't do anything if the moving average they didn't reach at these levels, because this is going to be your strong sell and this is going to be your strong buy. Hear me? So I'm gonna go ahead guys and share the settings for the strategy with y'all for free. But before I share anything with you, please subscribe to the channel if you're new, like the video if you're new. You can join free Telegram group if you wanna join our team. Just support the channel, like the video, then let's get to the video. Straight up, we're gonna go ahead and click F sign here. Click F sign. I want to delete everything so that I can be able to share the settings with you. Delete everything that you see on the screen. I'm gonna delete everything right here so that I can start over with you. Everything now is out. So get ready. Let's start punching our strategy on inside our MT4 platforms. So click F sign here. Okay, boom. The first thing first, click menu chart. Boom. So we're gonna look for relative straight index just to add our RSI on the chart. It's this one right here, relative straight index. Click on it. So first period, we're gonna use period 10. apply to close, style 4 pixel, color of your choice, but color you better use this one, the one which I have right here. You can see is this one right here. You can use that one. And then after you're done, pay attention at the levels. Click levels. The first level you're going to put 89.39. Second one is going to be 49.39. Type in TP. The first one, type in strong sell. The third one, 8.18 strong buy. The fourth one, 16.14. Type in entry. Use the colors as I'm showing you. You're gonna use 4 pixel color, red, this one right here, and then come back here, click done. Boom. So this is going to be our first RSI on chart. So let's go ahead and add another one. We're gonna go ahead and add main chart. Click at main chart. Boom. So now we're gonna look for moving average. Moving average. Click moving average. Period 200. Shift is 0. Method exponential. Apply to close. Style 4 pixel. Color yellow. And click done. That means we're putting this moving average on main chart just to show us the strong sell, just to show us the trend for the market. Okay, let's go ahead and add another one. Click F sign. Boom. So now we're gonna look for MACD. Right? We're gonna look for MACD. So we're looking for MACD. Here is a MACD. MACD, it's right here. Click on it. So MACD settings is going to be our first EMA. It's going to be 13. Strong EMA. It's going to be 27. MACD CMA 10. Apply to close. And main is going to be 4 pixel, and the color is going to be pink, and signal is going to be 4 pixel, and the color is going to be blue. After you're done, click right here, click done. You can take the screenshot in case I don't want to rush you, because I want you guys to do everything the same. Click done. So we're gonna come here. You can see we already put MACD inside RSI. Alright. So now we're gonna go ahead and put the moving average on RSI. So click F sign here as usual. It's F sign, and then click indicator Windows 1. Boom. And look for the moving average, which is this one right here. Click at the moving average. So the moving average is going to be period 1. Period 1. Shift is 0. Method exponential. Apply to close, and style 4 pixel. Color must be this one right here. color must be this one right here. Apply must be previous indicators data, this one right here. Okay, make sure. Boom. So make sure everything's same, and if everything are the same, click done. Boom. So now we're here to the chart. This is how your strategy is gonna look like. Congratulations for having this strategy, and also you're going to thank me later. Trust me, you're going to thank me later for this strategy right here that I'm sharing with you today. You're going to thank me later, because this strategy right here is going to help you so much to make money in a forex market. So make sure you do the like thing. Make sure you like this video, because it was not easy to have this strategy done at this time. For real, it was not easy, for sure. It was a big work. So please, for you to give me more energy to do more content for you guys, that's going to help you, make sure you show me the energy and show me that you guys really like what I'm showing, what I'm sharing with you. Because if you guys don't like my work, that means you guys don't like it. There's no point of sharing with you guys something you guys don't like it. So make sure you show me if you really like it. Like this video, put the like. That's it. So this is how you're going to use the strategy. As I said, you wait the currency to reach the moving average to reach a level 89.39, and then you sell. You take your profit. A TP1 is going to be 49.39, which is this one. TP2 is going to be 16.42 when you're selling the currency. And when you're buying the currency, the the entry is going to be 16.14. This is going to be your entry. You buy, the first take profit is going to be 49.9 49.39. It's going to be your first take profit. If you want to keep swinging in the market, you can swing all the way to 89.39 right here. So here is another thing you need to pay attention at. If you want to buy the currency, first make sure these moving averages that you see inside here, we got to, as you can see here, we have these two moving averages. You need to make sure once the moving average already reach at this 80.13 level, and which is strong buy, don't buy it at the same time. Wait for the strategy to wait for the moving average, the yellow moving average, to close blue moving average like that, and which means it's time to go up, and then you buy the currency. You can also buy the currency once the market already reach level 8.14 and it's coming up. Once they reach 16.14, then you can buy the currency and go with it as a buyer. So guys, this is what I had to share with you today. I hope, guys, I'm waiting for the result. You guys gonna give me the result for the strategy, how much works. Leave the comment, let me know how much the strategy works. See you guys on the next video. Peace. I hope to receive more testimony. All right, peace. I'm out.